All right, guys, I had this started, but I had no film. So we're gonna try to restart it, see if she starts up. If you've been following me on this 76 or whatever it is Polaris Colt, you'll know that I spent all winter trying to get this thing to start. All winter. Never even got it to fire over. I got my other one to fire. So today I thought I'll rebuild the fuel pump, and some of you on Facebook mentioned the fuel pump. So I rebuilt it, put it on. Running like a champ, guys. Can't believe it. So I finally got all three of my sleds able to start.